Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO22 Excel Chapter 4 Prepare Spa Sales. That says project description. You can see its project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel download and open file name Excel Chapter 4 Prepare Spa Sales. Grader has automatically added your last name to the start of the file name. I have already opened this file. That's our file name. Excel Chapter 4 Prepare Spa Sales. So we will move to our second step now. To quickly identify the value of the data series, you will modify the existing pie chart on the table use worksheet by adding labels. So we will go to the table use worksheet, that is our table use worksheet. What is saying on the table use worksheet, add data labels to the pie chart to show only percentage of the each section. So we will go to the pie chart, that's our pie chart. We will go to its element, we will select data labels, we will go to the more options. What is saying, we need only pie chart show only percentage of the each section. So we will deselect the value, we will select only percentage. So that's our percentage. Apply chart style 3 to the chart. So we will go to the chart gallery. In the chart design, we will apply chart style 3 to the this chart. That's our second step. Our third step is, you would like to use the pie chart in future presentation and would like to able to easily isolate and print the chart. To facilitate this, you will move the chart to a new sheet. On the table use worksheet, move the chart to a new sheet name as a table use chart. So we will copy this, and here we in the chart design we will go to the location, and here we will select move chart and select a new sheet which names as a table use chart and press OK. So our chart is now on a new sheet on the table use worksheet. So we will again move to our table use worksheet, that's our table use worksheet. Enter 13 in the cell B6 and view changes on the table use worksheet. So we will enter 13 in the cell B6. What is in cell B6? So we will go to here, we will type 13, and we will move now to table use worksheet to view the changes in the pie chart. So you monitor when we put here its change, rotate is little. That's our step. Third step. That's our third step. We will move to our fourth step. Our fourth step is to aid the analysis of the data. You would like the data on the product data worksheet to be organized and presented in an effective graphical manner to compare the total number of massages given over an 8-week period on the product data worksheet. So we will go to the product data worksheet, that's our product data worksheet. What is saying? Create a clustered column chart using the data in the cell range A2 to B12. So we will select A2 to B12. He is asking for create a clustered column chart using the data in the cell range A12, A2 to B12. So we will go to select A2 to B12, that our cell A2 to B12. We have selected, and then we will go to the insert tab and we will open in recommended charts, and here we have got our clustered column chart. So we will press OK. We have got our clustered column chart here. What is in, move the chart to a new sheet name as a total massage chart. So we will copy this and move our chart to a new sheet name as a total massage charts and OK. So we have got our massage chart to a new worksheet. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is, next you will create a simple pie chart that shows the proportion of total revenue each of 4 different massages type earned for the spa in the month of June. On the revenue worksheet, so we will go to the revenue worksheet. That's our revenue worksheet. What is saying? Create a pie chart using the data in the cell range A1 to E2. So we will select A1 to E2 and we will go to the insert tab, and here we will select the 2D pie chart. So we have created our 2D pie chart. Move and resize the chart so the top left corner in the cell I3. So we will move to the this one in the I3. That's our cell I3. Top left corner is in our cell I3, and the bottom right corner is in the O17. So we will go to the bottom right corner. That's our bottom right corner. That's in the now O17. That's its exact location where it is needed. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is you will create a line chart displaying daily revenue by massage type in June. Each day will appear as a point on the line that is created, and each massage type to be separate line on the chart. On the revenue worksheet, create a line chart using the data in the range A4 to E35. So we will select the A4 to E35. That's our A4 to E35. We will go to the insert tab and we will go to the recommended chart, and here we will select all chart. Then we will go to the line chart, and first one we will select line chart. That's our line chart. Move the and resize the chart so the top left corner is in the cell I20. So we will move so its top left corner is in the cell I20. Now it's in the I20. Top left corner is in the cell I20, and where is the bottom right corner in the O34. We'll select it and move it here. That is in the now O34. What is saying? Enter the chart title as a January revenue by massage type. We'll copy this and paste it as a chart title. That's our January revenue by massage type. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is next you will create a stacked bar chart that will assist you in analyzing the status of the project to redesign the massage therapy rooms on the redesign project worksheet. So we will go to the redesign worksheet, design project worksheet. That's our redesign project worksheet. Create a stacked bar chart using the data in the cell range A3 to A8 and C3 to C8. So we will select A3 to A8. That's our A3 to A8 and C3 C3 to D8. We will select C3 to D8, and we will go to the insert tab and we will go to recommended charts. What is in stacked bar chart? So we will go to the bar chart, and that is our clustered. That's our stacked bar chart, and we will press OK. So we have got our stacked bar chart here. Move the chart to the top left corner of the cell A10. So we will move it to the cell A10. That's our here. That's our location of the chart. Enter the chart title as a project redesign status. So we will copy this and paste it as a project redesign status. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is you have data for a survey showing the requested temperature of the room used for massage and the age of the customers. This data may reveal important information about what temperature is typically requested by customer in different age groups. on the survey worksheet. So we will go to the survey worksheet. That's our survey worksheet. What he is saying, create a scattered chart using the data in the cell range A2 to B53. So we will select the A2 to B53. That's now selected, and we will go to the insert tab. Go to, that's our scattered chart. We will press OK. We have got our scattered chart. Move but don't resize the chart, so the top left corner is in the cell F20 F2. So we will move to the this one. We will press Ctrl plus X and paste it to the in the cell F2. Now it's in our F2 cell. Enter the chart title as a desired room temperature by age. So we will copy this and paste it as a chart title. That's our chart title. That's our 8th step. We have total 29 steps of this assignment. I have performed 8 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you need help in any online course like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Pearson Plus course, Cengage course, SimNet course, Canvas course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.